A tree map diagram is an appropriate type of visualization when the data set is structured in hierarchical order, with a tree layout with roots, branches, and nodes. It allows us to show information about an important amount of data in a very efficient way in a limited space. Squarify is the best fit when you have to plot a tree map. Tree maps display hierarchical data as a set of nested squares or rectangles based visualization. Here we see some code based on the square map. You can see the thing like we will import the square map library like this, and then we give some squarify dot plot and sizes. All are given in one yellow color, so that's why the data is shown in a rectangle. Everything is yellow. So the same data can be represented with multiple colors and multiple values. Based on the quantity of the value, we can see the corresponding colors displayed below in a rectangle visualization. All values are based on the all rectangles are based on their magnitude of the value. And then we can see another thing like that, the data whichever is given, that 300, 400 and all, and we are using the Seaborn colors, also the spectral colors, and based on the length of data, the corresponding tree map is given like this. Okay.